wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Wow, sparkling ring. Oh, hi kids! From A to Z, from east to west, I'm Hannah! And welcome back to Dream Again! You see, kids, what I'm looking at right here? This is a diamond ring. Wow, right? I took it from my mom's jewelry box. Well, okay, I borrowed it for today's lesson. Why? Well, do you know that diamonds are extremely valuable? Oh, silly me! Of course you knew that! Wait. Did you also know that a diamond is a crystal? You did? Oh boy, you kids are too smart for me. Well, let me think. What would you not know? Ha! There are different types of crystals. Quartz, for example, is a crystal that we use in watches, just like in a watch right here. Oh, another one. Snowflakes are ice crystals, right? And there's liquid crystals in computer screens, just like in this iPad. But how about we visit Noah and Olivia and see what they're up to in the science room? I think they're going to explain a little bit more about what crystallization is.
We are going to make crystals.
Crystals?
We're going to make our own crystals.
Wow.
Do you know what crystals are?
No, what's a crystal?
They are a special kind of solid material where the molecules fit together in a repeating pattern.
Ooh, would that be like circle, square, circle, square?
Exactly. That is a repeating pattern.
Awesome.
This pattern causes the material to form all sorts of unique shapes.
Ooh.
Just like you kind of described right there.
Wow.
You know what the process of crystal forming is called?
No, I do not.
Crystallization.
Ooh, crystallization. That's a big word.
That is a big word.
Wow.
But why don't we write it down in the back there?
Okay.
You see it appears?
Mm-hmm.
Crystallization.
Crystallization.
And another way crystals form is when water evaporates from a mixture.
Noah.
What?
That's the kind of crystal we're making today.
Exactly, kids. Did you hear that?
Wow. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to take sodium tetraborate, which is also another big word,
That is a big word. Why don't you tell the kids what that means?
Okay, so sodium tetraborate is a mineral and a salt. A mineral is kind of like a rock. And it's ground up into a little powder like this. And inside here, there's invisible crystals.
Invisible crystals, but I can see them.
Nope, the white part is the salt. And the crystals are teeny tiny.
Oh, wow. Interesting.
Yeah. And then we're going to take and dissolve this into some hot water. And once we stir it all up, the crystals will be ready. And as the water cools, like you said, we'll have crystals.
Whoa, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. And guess what can make it even more fun?
What?
We're going to make them on shapes.
Shapes!
Yeah.
Oh, can I tell you one more thing?
Oh, please do.
You know that snowflakes are ice crystals that are formed high in the clouds when water freezes?
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
So every winter we actually have crystals fall from the sky?
Exactly. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
That's really cool.
And did you know that they always have 6 sides or arms?
I didn't know that either.
And every one of them is unique, though.
Ooh.
Just like you and me and you kids.
Yay!
Pretty cool, huh?
Very cool.
If the kids want to do this at home, what will they need?
They will need a thing of sodium tetraborate.
Then some hot water.
Hot water.
A test tube just like the one we have here.
A fuzzy pipe cleaner stick thing.
popsicle stick,
a popsicle stick,
and
that's it.
That's it.
That's it.
Well, why don't we get started?
All right, let's get started. I'm going to make my shape.
I'm going to make my shape
Me too. Okay.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our sodium tetraborate and we're going to pour it into the hot water. Our popsicle stick, and we're going to stir, 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 and we want all of the sodium tetraborate to dissolve. And now put your shape in.
That's mine.
And now put my shape in. And you want your shape to be in the water, because everywhere the water's touching is where the crystals will form.
So Olivia, how long will we have to keep that in there right now?
Okay, so this was like a long time. So you have to let it sit overnight and check back on it tomorrow and then maybe the next day too.
And what happens when we keep it in longer?
The longer you leave it in, the more crystals form, and they'll form all around your little shape.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Well, kids, then why don't we put this aside and we'll speed up time very, very quickly.
Super, super fast.
And then we'll show you our results.
Yay, and then we'll have crystals.
Crystals! I can't wait.
Crystals!
And we've done science again.
Science.
Science monster.
What? We have to wait for a day now? But I don't want to wait. Do you want to wait? No, I don't want to wait. What should we do? What should we do? Oh, I get so bored so quickly. Oh, kids, I know. Let's go to the sing-along studio and sing a song.
Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie 'em in a knot? Can you tie 'em in a bow? Can you throw 'em over your shoulder like a continental soldier? Do your ears hang low? Do your ears stand high? Do they reach up to the sky? Do they droop when they are wet, or do they stiffen when they're dry? Can you wave 'em at your neighbor with that element of flavor? Do your ears stand high? Do your ears flip-flop? Can you use them as a mop? Are they stringy at the bottom? Are they curly at the top? Can you use them for as water? Can you use them for a blotter? Do your ears flip-flop? Do your ears stick out? Can you waggle them about? Can you flap them up and down as you fly around the town? Can you shut them up for sure when you hear an awful bore? Do your ears stick out? Do your ears give snacks? Are they all filled up with wax? Do you eat it in the morning? Do you eat it in the bath? Do you eat it with a scone, or do you eat it on its own? Do your ears give snacks? Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie 'em in a knot? Can you tie 'em in a bow? Can you throw 'em over your shoulder like a continental soldier? Do your ears hang low?
That was so much fun. So I think enough time has passed. Shall we see what the crystals are doing?
Whoa.
The whole bottom is a crystal.
How did that happen? Did we do something wrong?
You know what I think?
What?
I think we made one of our shapes touch the bottom. Yep. And so then what the crystals did is found the most stable place, and the most stable place was the bottom.
Oh, that's very interesting.
Yeah. So maybe that's a good tip for the kids, huh?
So kids, what you have to watch out for is make sure that your shape doesn't touch the ground.
Yeah.
We did a small mistake, but sometimes that's what science is. You make mistakes and you discover something completely new and different.
Yeah, that's how we learn, is by trying things, and then you make a mistake, but you try it still, and then you try it again some other time.
Wow.
Yep.
Pretty cool.
It's very cool. I like it.
Well, kids, I guess in science, when things go wrong sometimes, that isn't necessarily a bad thing. Matter of fact, some of the greatest inventions of our time happened because of accidents and mistakes. But that's a whole other lesson for another time. Have a crystal fun time, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Ooh, I really love this diamond ring. I wonder if Mom will let me keep it. Might be expensive, but I think I kind of deserve it. Bye!
Hi there, this is Mikey! If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button below and like us. Thanks! And I'm better than Mrs. Wigglesworth! Ha ha!